home tech venture. So, I don't know if you guys are on YouTube a lot, but I'm going to guess yes since you got to this video. But every other YouTube video, they talk about this product. And kind of have a feeling you might guess what it is since it's right in front of us. But I want to see what the hype is all about. I want to see why every other YouTuber is sponsored by them. So today, we have the Raycons. And we're going to see what the hype is about. Now, obviously, this is an Apple, so there is some tabs you got to cut, which I will go ahead and cut there. There we go. I think that's cut. Nope, that wasn't cut. There we go. Now it's cut. And there is two of them, so we'll get the second one. There we go. And then you just open them up like that. And then right there is the manual. You could pull from right there, or not the manual holder. There's the manual right there. But who reads those? And then you are greeted right there with the, that's the case. And then I believe, let's see if they have them separately. Oh yeah, you get more paperwork. Oh, actually, let's see what this is. I've actually never used these before, so I have no idea. Oh, these are extra ear tips. Oh, there's something else in there as well. And a charging cable with, oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, did not expect that. But you do also get something to hook it up to your backpack, or if you want to put it on your keychain, something like that. And that's where it goes in here. And there's the earbuds. Now, the case is blue because I did order the titanium ones. These kind of look blue, not titanium. And then, oh, I don't know if you heard that. There's like a little sound, I'm guessing, telling you to connect them. So I do want to see how easy they are to connect. So I'm going to pull out a phone here. And that is actually the unboxing right there. You just get all that. Now, that was actually pretty simple if you ask me. Go ahead and open that up. And now, this isn't Apple either, so it's not going to just pop up. You're going to actually have to go into Bluetooth and then find them here. Let's see if they show up. Nope. There they are. And you just connect them. Oh, they just made another sound. I don't know if you heard that. I don't know if that means they're connected. I'm going to guess not, since it's still flashing red and blue there. I don't know if you guys see that. And only one of them is. It's the right one. Oh, and I just heard connected. So I think they're connected. That took longer than usual. But yeah, I will go ahead and use these for a little bit. And this is the unboxing experience. I will be making another video. But thank you guys for watching. And you have a great day or night whenever you're watching this.